In this example, we're solving another exponential equation. And whenever we're doing these example problems, use the fact that it's a recording to your advantage. Pause it at a certain point so that you can go ahead and work it through yourself. Try doing the problem yourself. And then you can press play again to see how the problem was worked out. That way you can see, are there any trouble spots you're running into? And it's a great way to really learn. Otherwise, you're trying to follow every tiny little detail, and really a lot of it you should already have down. We want you to be able to just focus on that one little thing that you're still kind of getting your head around. All right, so this would be a great time to pause it and work it through. All right, so for this problem, we are again solving an exponential where we have x in the exponent. In order to do that, we want to start by getting that exponential part by itself. So I got to get rid of the -2 and the 30. I'm undoing the equation, therefore I go backwards through the order of operations. So I'm going to start by getting rid of the addition subtraction. In this case, that means I'm getting rid of the 30 first, because this -2 is not subtracting 2, it's multiplying by -2. So that's why we move the 30 first. So if I subtract 30 from both sides, I now have -2 times 3 to the x equals -29. And since that is a -2 times 3 to the x, I'm going to get rid of that -2 by dividing both sides by -2. And when I do that, I then have 3 to the power of x equals 14.5. From here, the process is hopefully fairly familiar, because in order to now solve for the exponent, I need to get that exponent by itself. And whenever we need to get the exponent by itself, that is, solve for the exponent, we write it as a logarithm. And then once it's written as a logarithm, we calculate it using the change of base formula. And so in this particular problem, we should get a final answer of about 2.43.